Alright, what's going on, guys? Alright, so on my R32, the AC controller display would go in and out when I drive. It would just come on and off, on and off. So I took the controller apart. It's pretty simple. It's just some Phillips screws. And it comes right out of the case. And it actually comes apart together like this. Okay. And the board itself is just, this connector pin here is actually just pushed in to this connector pin right here. This is the receiver side, and over time there's nothing actually holding these two guys together very well, and these guys actually can move pretty easily, and over time what you end up with some broken solder joints on the back of the controller display. If you look right here at these solder joints here, the first like 3, they're broken actually. Let's see if I can get that in there without any glare. But you can see, let's look at the first one right there. How it has that line through it. A little bitty line right there through it. I'm trying to get it to where there's no glare. Okay, yeah, you can see right there. That first one, oh, it's broke. And that first one. That one's broke, the second one's broke, and the third one's broke. If we go to the other side, one's on the end, the first 3 are broken also. So what I'm going to end up doing is just heating it up with a soldering iron and trying to resolder them. And that should solve the issue with the display going in and out, in and out. Right, Barbie? Alright, all done. Got them all soldered in. Came out okay. That one's a little messy, but those look okay. That one's a little messy on the end, but I'll slap it back together and see if it works. What I used here, this is just a really inexpensive Amazon soldering iron. It comes in this kit, and this thing, I've used it over and over and over. It's worked great. It comes with a little stand. You can adjust the temperature. I don't have it turned all the way up. I actually have it set at about, I don't know where I have it set. I have it like halfway point, I think, which on this thing it goes from 450 down to 200. So I have it around like 300 degrees. And the kit actually itself, man, it comes with a bunch of different tips. Like this one comes with a super duper small one. But for most of my soldering jobs, I end up using this big tip here. But yeah, I highly recommend this kit here. I mean, it comes with a little hot knife and a bunch of other tips. Tweezers, a desoldering gun. I think it was like 15 bucks. I'll leave a link down in the description box for it. But go and slap this thing back together and go throw it in the cart and see if it solved my problem. All right, got it back in there. Gonna go ahead and turn it on. Hopefully it doesn't catch on fire. I'll go and start the car up. That's a good sign. Running, and before, I mean, you couldn't even touch the display. It would just go right out right away. Hit it, play with the wires, it just go out right away. That's a good sign. Really good sign that it's pretty much going to be fixed for a long time. So, all right, guys. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. It's a quick little repair on the R32 Skyline.